Hi guys, you are welcome. In this video, I'll actually be showing you how to make use of the 2000 plus premium Elementor template to create a complete, stunning and professional website. Yeah, you don't need to start designing from scratch any longer. You can just use any of these premium designs from this template library. So I'll also be sharing with you how to get access to this template as well, the 2000 plus premium template, if you stay to the end of this video. So right now, let's get straight into it. Yeah, so right now guys, this is my WordPress dashboard. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the 2000 plus template, premium template right now. So the first thing we need to do is we need to install some we need to install our theme and couple of plugins that we'll be needing. So to do that, let's install our theme. So I'm going to go to appearance here. I'm going to go to themes. So I'm going to click on add new. So for this tutorial, if you're going to be using this template, the best theme you can go for is the Elementor theme. So you can find it here. In case if you are unable to find your or in case you are unable to find the Elementor here in your own directory, you can just come here and search for Elementor. So then you find it here. So all you have to do is just click on the install and then the activate button. So as you can see, it has been installed and activated successfully. So right now, the next thing we want to do is let's install our plugins. So we will be using some couple of plugins. So let's go to plugins here. I'm going to click on add new plugins. So now the first plugin we'll be needing is the Elementor plugin, as you already know. So, but in my website, I already have Elementor installed and activated, so I will not be needing that for now. So the next plugin that we need is the Elementor header and footer, as we already see it here. So I'm going to click on install. So then I'm going to activate it. So the next plugin we'll be needing now is called the Envato Element plugin. So I'm going to search for Envato. So this is it, Envato Element. So I'm just going to click on install, then activate. So now the next plugin we'll be needing is the theme plugin. So just note all of this down, because without all of these plugins, the template is not actually going to work well. So you need all of these plugins, the theme for Elementor plugin. So I'm going to click on install now, then activate. So now that is how to, so those are the plugins that we actually need. So now let's create our pages. So right now, let me go to all pages. So as you can see, I do not have any page here yet. So I can click on add new page. So let's add our first home page. So I'm just going to name it home. Then I'm going to click on publish. So next thing as well that you need to do is come here to where it says template here. So change it from default template to Elementor full width, so that it can contain every. So now we have installed, we have created our page. So now I'm going to click on edit with Elementor. I believe you're already familiar with all of this, so you should be familiar with all of this already. So now the next thing is we want to install the template that we want to use for this website. So to do that, I'm going to come here to where it says to Envato element here. So I'm just going to click on Envato element. So I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click on upload template kit zip file. So right now, as you can see, these are the template kit already. So but let me show you how it is in my folder. So in my folder, this is it here. So I'm just going to, this is the template kit here. So as you can see, let me expand it. So this is the template kit So they are all in zip file. They are over 2000 because there are different categories. As you can see, we have the creative, food, health, technology, real estate, shopping, sports, automotive, and so on. So in each of these zip file, we have different templates. For example, under creative, like this now, let me scroll down to where I have. So this is the creative where I started it. So when I open it, so you can see we have a lot of template designs for creative websites. So that's how we have it for every other niches too. For example, other education. So let's open it. As you can see, we have a lot of templates for websites, for educational websites. So you can also preview it with these pictures here as well. So now we are going to start with business. So now let me click on upload again. So like I said, we're going to start with business. So in this template kit, we have three different business. We have business one, business two, business three, and each of them has hundreds of templates inside of them. So for business one, as you can see, we have a lot of templates. We also have a lot of templates inside of business two as well as inside of business three. So now let's go with business one. So you can choose to install any of these templates that you want for your business. So now let me just use so let me try this Sacro Factory. We have a lot of different ones as well. So let's check this out. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like. So you can preview it from here. So this is how the website is going to look like when we install the template on our website. This is how it's going to look like. So you can also go ahead to go back to install kit. You can upload more if you want to preview more of those websites. So let me check another one. So you can check as much as possible as you want. So as you can see, this is another one right here. So this is the home page. So let's see how it looks. So this is how this one is going to look like. See the about page as well. So that's how to preview the template. So let's go on ahead and review just one more. So go to install kit here. So I'm going to click on upload templates kit zip file. So you can choose anyone. Let's go with this Magic Clean. So for this one, can go for cleaning agency. Yeah, as you can see, this is how this template is going to look like. So it's basically for cleaning agency. So it also comes with all of the pages that you'll be needing, all the pages, contacts, about, including the header and the footer. As you can see here, you see this is the header. So you don't have to crack your head on how to actually design all of this from scratch. As you can see, we have them all right here. So now I'm just going to go with one of these. So right now I think I will just go with this Meritis. I kind of like the design texture of this template, so that's why I'm going to go with it. So but before we can install it, as you can see, it says we should install some requirements. So install requirement. So these are the required plugins that we need for the template to work very well. So the first required plugin is Elementor Pro, this and this and this. So now the only plugin that we do not have now if I should click on install above required, it's going to install them automatically except Elementor Pro because it is not a free plugin. So let me install it so you can see. So as you can see, it says we should purchase Elementor Pro. So now I will be showing you how to get Elementor Pro as well if you stay till the end of this video. So now I'm going to install Elementor Pro right now so that we can get rid of it. So now I'm going to go on ahead and install my Elementor Pro. So I'll come to plugins, add new, upload, choose file. So right now, as you can see, I have successfully installed Elementor Pro just now. So like I said, till the end of this video, I will be showing how to get access to this latest version of Elementor Pro as well, so you can always update it whenever there's a new version. So right now that Elementor Pro is installed, so all we need to do is just come back here. So what we need to do is we are just going to reload this page so that the Elementor Pro that we just installed can be um, activated, so that the install requirement plugin can be gone. So I'm going to go back there. So as you can see, the install requirement notification is no longer there. So right now we can now install this template. So to do that, I'm just going to click on insert template. So I'm going to wait for some few seconds or like few couple of minutes for the import to be done. So once it reaches 100%, then the template will be installed automatically. So right now, as you can see, the template has been successfully imported. You see, so now um so what you can do, you can click on the update button here. So once you click on the update button, so you can preview changes. So do you see? So this is how it's going to look like. So now the next thing we need to do is we can set up the header and footer, because the same method by which we actually installed this home page template is the same way we actually install the other pages. So let me show you what I mean. So you just go back to pages here, click on add new, then name your page about, then you before you publish, change the template to Elementor full width, then click on publish, edit with Elementor, click on the Elementor element icon, go to the template, then you scroll down, look for the about us page template. As you can see, we have the about us here, so you can click on insert template. Yeah, as you can see, we have our about page imported. So let me update it and view it. So I can close this. So as you can see, so this is the about page. So now very quickly, this is the same format of which you're going to install your contact, every other pages. As you can see, even the forms actually came with it. So now let's go and actually sort out our header and footer. So to do that, come back to appearance here, Elementor header and footer. Remember, we installed this plugin in the beginning of this video. So click on add new, skip, then name it. So now I want to do the header, so you can just name it header. So scroll down under select option, choose header, then you scroll down under display on here, select, then choose entire website, meaning that you want this header to display on the whole website. So click on publish. So after that, click on edit with Elementor. So now what you need to do, just come here to Elementor element again, then go to your template, then scroll to where you have the header. So this is the header right here, so you just click it. Let me scroll down. Okay, this is it here. So insert template. So now the header has been installed. So now, but because we have not yet set our menu, so that's why we do not have our menu here yet. So but let me just click on update. So let me come to let's open our own page and see how it looks like now. Yeah, perfect. As you can see, we now have our header here right in the middle. So I believe you should know how to set up your menu. So in case you don't know how to do that, it's very simple. So all you have to do is just go back to your dashboard, then go to appearance, go to menus, then go to create a menu. So you name your menu, so you can name it any name. So I'll just put name main menu. So then display location, just check for header, then you click on create menu. So now it has successfully created the menu. So now the next thing we want to do is, what are the pages that you want to add inside the menu? So we want to add, so all of the pages that you have created will be displayed here. So we already created home and about page, so that's why it's displaying here. So let me view our page. So now let me put the home. Okay, we already have two different home pages. So let me just add them, add to menu. So now as you can see, we already, so you can just rearrange it the way you would like. So this one will come first, second and third. So you can click on save menu. So now let's reload our website and see how the menu looks like now. So as you can see, this is how the menu looks like. So it's very simple. So the each time you create more, each time you add more pages to your menu, it's going to automatically reflect here. So now we can check our pages. Do you see? So this is how to use the template. It's very simple to use. So it's still the same method that you use to install other templates as well. So now let's quickly go and install our footer. So to do that, we are going to go back to your dashboard again. So let's come here to appearance, Elementor header and footer. So the same way we create our header is also the same way we create our footer. So but the only difference that, so just come into add new. So this is the header we created the other time. So now to create our footer, click on add new. So now we're going to name it footer. Then scroll down here. Then under select option, you select footer. Then under display on, select entire website so it can display on the entire website. Click on publish. Then let's edit with Elementor. So now what we want to do is come to Envato element here, click on the template, then scroll down to wherever you have the footer. So where is the footer here? Yeah, this is the footer. So I'm just going to click on insert template. So as you can see, it has been installed. So now I can update it. Now let me go back to my home page. Let me reload. So now we have our header. Let's see our footer. As you can see, now our footer is here. So everything that we have done here are 100% editable, because they are Elementor templates. You can change whatsoever. So in case if you don't know how to use Elementor to edit or to even build anything, also have a video on how to use Elementor. So in case you don't know how to use Elementor, I have linked the video in the description of this YouTube video as well. So you can also go and watch it to learn everything about Elementor in case you don't know how to use Elementor. So that's about using this template. So this is the same way you install other template. For example, let's assume you don't want to use this template again, or probably we have another page. So now let me go on ahead and create another page. So go back to dashboard. So now let's create another page and we can install another template. So let's say new home page. So the reason why we're creating this page is because we want to test another template out. So you can see the generator of these designs and templates. So publish, edit with Elementor. So now I know already we have the header and footer that we install. We have set it that it should display on every website. So don't forget that. So now let's go to Envato element. So now let's assume we want to install. Okay, let's now work with this. Now let's go to another niche entirely. So come here to upload template. We just worked on the business. So now let's go to template kit. So let's go to something else like all right, let's go for food and drinks. It's food and drinks. So as you can see, we also have a lot of templates under food and drinks that we can actually use. So here's a template for bakery. Here's a so you can just once you get access to all of these templates, you can search through and just use the install different templates and see how they look like. Then you can edit them to whatever taste you want. So but I don't even know which template I want to go for, but I'll just go for anyone. So now let's just go with this. So as you can see, this is how this template looks like. Very beautiful. So let's see how it looks. You see, so this is how the template looks like. So now this template has its own required plugin. So let's see. So it needs element kit light. So let's install it. So then we can close. So now let's try and insert it and see. So now another thing is that some template comes with more than one page. Like as you can see, this template has more than one home page, such that it has two home page. So you can select whichever home page you want. Like if you don't want this home page, you can check out another home page like this one on 2. You see it has this another design. So and it can also have it for other pages like that. Like you see like menu page has two different menu page stuff like that. So that's how this template works. So now let's just wait for this to complete import. Yeah, wow. As you can see, we have successfully installed this template. Yeah, so let's preview it now. Okay, sorry, let's update it. Let me update it. So this is how it looks like now. Another thing is that so if for example now if we want to go with the header and footer that comes with this template, now we need to go back to appearance here. So under our header and footer, like this header here, so we can come here and scroll down. Okay, this is it. So you can come here and insert the header. So this is the header. So now let me update it. You see that we have two header if I should come here now. So now let me reload it. As you can see, we have two header. So now it's now up to you to decide on whichever header I want to use. So let me remove this since we are working with a new template. So now let me reload it. So now this thing. So it's very simple. Using this template is very simple. So before we go finally, let's work with just at least maybe like one more template. So now to do that, let me go back to dashboard and let's add another page for another template. So we're going to go into another niche. So now let's say test home. Like I want to create another home page, like another page for this. So change it to Elementor full width, publish, edit with Elementor. So I'm going to click on a virtual element. Then so let's upload another one. So we can go into any niche, like we have a lot of other niche: real estate, sport and fitness, technology, travel, wedding, automotive, blog, stuffs, a lot. So I think let's go for real estate. Let's enter into real estate and see what we have here. So you have a lot. So as you can see, so let me just import anyone. So let's see how it looks like. So this is how this template looks like, but I don't really, the design looks somehow. So it just looks like all of these free templates that comes with these inverted elements that are not that very beautiful. So now let's go on ahead and check another one. So you have the opportunity to install as many as possible. If you like, you can upload 1000. So it's still going to upload. Okay, I think this is at least better. As you can see, this one even has three different home pages: on page one, on page two, on page three, contact, service, project, single, service, single post, services, about, and others. So now you can choose to decide whichever home page you want to go for among the three home page that actually comes with this template. So I think I'm just going to go for the first one, but before I do that, this template also has its own required plugins. As you can see, there are three different, so I'm going to install them. So one of them fails to install, so let me close. So let's try it again. I don't know why it's failing to install plugin. Probably maybe it's a premium plugin, I don't know. So even though it's failing to install, so that doesn't mean you can't import your template. So but let's import it and see. Wow, as you can see, we have successfully imported the real estate template. So now you can see, so that this is simply how to use the template. So let me update it and review it, and let's see how it looks like. So as you can see, this is what we have now. So you don't have to crack your head trying to come up with new designs when you have all of these over 2000 designs that you can use. And if you also want to make use of the header and footer that comes with this real estate stuff, so you can just come here to use what we have: our header, inverted elements, and look for the header here. As you can see, we have the header right here. So you can just insert the header. As you can see, so we can remove this, and let's update it and review it. So let's preview it. So do you see, we have this. So it's as simple as that. We can also edit the footer as well. So this is how to use the templates. There are a lot of them. You can't even finish it. So as you can see, I've been working with this template now. It's been more than 2 years, and I must confess I have not even used up to half of it. Yeah, for projects. So I've not even used up to half. So if you are interested in this template, also added the link to actually get access to this template in the description of this video. So you can get access to all of these templates, all these 2000 plus templates for just $5. irrespective of where you are watching from. So, and then also this template comes with numerous bonuses such as um, the Elementor Pro I mentioned in the beginning of this video. Be getting access to the latest version of Elementor Pro, including the guidelines of how to update the Elementor in case there's a newer version. You can always update it. Get access to my full web design course as well, and then my full Fiverr course blueprint, how I made thousands of dollars on Fiverr using web design. So if you want to see every other stuff that comes with this stuff, so just check in the description of this video. You see the link, the seller store to this template. Click on the link and then get it at its 90% discount today. So now what I'll do is I'm still going to make more videos on this series. I'm going to use more templates so you can see. So I don't want this video to be too long, so we'll just be putting an end to this video at this third template. So I'll be making more videos illustrating even more templates. So just stay tuned for more videos, guys. If you have gained anything from this video, kindly like this video and also subscribe to this channel for more, so that you can be notified each time I drop useful and helpful videos like this. So bye for now, guys.